Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can redeem your Big Basket gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Big Basket app. So once you are into your Big Basket app, all you need to do is simply go and tap on the profile icon on the right hand side of your screen. So once you press on the profile icon, you will end up in this page where you need to simply tap on the My Gift Cards option. So after you do so, all you need to do is enter your gift card number, and after you have completed to fill it, you need to then fill your gift card pin. After you are done filling in both the credentials, all you need to do is press on the redeem option. Then after your process is completed, your gift card of Big Basket will get redeemed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.